Hello everyone, welcome to all. Today in this video I am going to explain the beautiful subject ERP. ERP stands for Enterprise Resource Planning. ERP means the simplest way to define a ERP is to think about all the core process needed to run a company like finance or manufacturing or more. ERP software means it's a set of application and for managing a company's or any big resources of a core business process including finance and accounting, in supply chain, HR, sales, inventory management, etc. In this ERP, I am going to explain a small topic that is the OLAP. OLAP. OLAP stands for Online Analytical Processing. OLAP allows users to analyze a database information from a multiple databases systems at one time. OLAP data is a multidimensional. That meaning the information can be compared in a many different ways. That's right. The information can be compared in many different ways. That's online analytical processing is a approach to answering a multidimensional analytical queries shifting in a computing. OLAP is a part of a broader category of a business intelligence which also encompasses relational databases, report writing, and data mining. Then, typical applications of OLAP includes business reporting for a sales, marketing management reporting in business as process management, budgeting and forecasting, financial reporting, and in similar areas with the new applications coming up such as agriculture. So OLP means, for example, like taken as a budgeting, the politicians can and make or providing a budgets to the public or society. That means the planning in what they need for the public, and they analyzing the what they need for the public, and what we updated our nations that are done by the analytical processing. So that at similarly in the online process, the online and OLAP is needed. That means online analytical processing is needed. So that's why we're using this concept in everywhere. In ERP also using this concept because of everything is needed analytical processing. So then the main definition of OLAP means OLAP is a category of a software that allows users to analyze the information from a multiple database systems at the same time. It is a technology that enables analysts to extract and view business as data from a different points of views. OLAP databases are divided into one or more cubes. The cubes are designed in such a way that created and viewing a report become easy. OLAP cube at the core of the concept is a OLAP cube. The OLAP cube is a data structure optimized for a very quick data analysis. The OLAP cube consists of a numeric facts called a measures which are categorized by dimensions. OLAP cube is also called the hypercube. Usually, data operations and analysis are performed using the simple spreadsheets where data values are arranged in a rows and columns format. This is a deal for two dimensions data. However, OLAP contains a multidimensional data with data usually obtained from a different and unrelated source. Using the spreadsheets is not an optimal option. The cube can store and analyze the multidimensional data in a logical or oracle manner. Everything will be done by the OLAP can done by the OLAP cube. Then next, basic analytical operations of a OLAP. Four types of analytical operations of a OLAP are: first one is a OLAP roll up, and next one is drill down, next slice and dice, and pivot or rotate. So roll up is also known as a consolidation or aggregations. Consolidation or aggregation. The roll-up operations can be performed in two ways: reducing dimensions, climbing up concept hierarchy. Concept hierarchy is a systems of a grouping things based on their order or level. Then goes to the drill down, and in drill down on data is fragmented into smaller parts. It is opposite to the roll-up process. It can be done wise. That means that is reducing the dimensions. It is increasing the dimension, moving down the concept hierarchy here. And slice and dice, here one dimension is selected and new whose subcube is created. Dimensions time is sliced as a filter. A new cube is created altogether. Dice means this operation is a smaller to a slice, and the different in dice is you who select two or more dimensions that results in the creation of the subcube. Pivot means in pivot you rotate the data axis as to provide a substitute representation of a data. And then goes to the types of OLAP systems. OLAP system first, OLAP types are first ROLAP and MOLAP and HOLAP. Others can classify into four, that is WOLP and DP, MOLP and SOLP. We discuss about one by one. First is the ROLP means relational OLAP. Relational OLP is an extended RDBMS means relational database management system along with a multidimensional data mapping to perform a standard relational operations. Then multidimensional OLAP. Multidimensional OLAP implements operations in a multidimensional data. Then hybrid OLAP. In hybrid OLAP approaches to aggregate total or stored in a multidimensional databases, while the detailed data is stored in the relational databases. This offers both data efficiency of the role app models and the performance of the MOLP model. Then desktop OLAP. In desktop OLAP, a users download a part of the data from the database as locally or on their desktop app and analyze it. And web OLAP. Web OLAP, which is a OLAP systems accessible by as the web browser, or WOLP is a three-tier architecture. It consists of the three components: client, middleware, and database server. Then goes to the mobile OLAP. Mobile OLAP helps users to access and analyze the OLAP data using their mobile service. Then special OLAP. Special OLAP is created to facilitate managing of both the special and the non-special data is to geographical information and systems. Then goes to the advantages of online analytical process. Advantages of OLAP means first one, helps to get all the data together together to create a accurate and quick information about the business. Then helps to analyze the time series, provide a platform for all types of a business, including the planning, in budgeting and forecasting and financial reporting and data warehouse reporting. Allows users to compatible with the calculations. Allows users to divide a big cube into dice cube, big cube into dice cube of data by several dimensions as measures and filters. Helps the end users to analyze the data in a multiple dimension so that they make a better decisions or a good decisions. Then goes to the disadvantages of online analytical processing. It is difficult to have a large number of dimensions in a single OLAP cube. So that's not difficult because of large number of dimensions can be into put into a single OLAP cube is very difficult. And Snowflake schema required for a organized data is complex to implement. That's implementation Snowflake is difficult. Then modification of an OLAP cube. The modification of OLAP cube requires a full update of the cube that consumes more times. That means the one cube can that means the modification of one cube that we need to modify a whole cube. That's me. The time consumption is more. The time taken is more. That's why that's the disadvantages of OLAP. That's all about for the OLAP. Thank you for the watching.